art of protecting networks, devices, and data. It will typically encrypt files and request that a ransom be paid in order to have them decrypted or recovered. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. and if you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. Today I'm going to talk about cybersecurity for beginners. I'm going to touch on some of the common knowledge. Let's get right into it. We going dark. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, is an acronym, and it's also a respected agency in the cybersecurity community, leads the national effort to understand, manage, and reduce risk to our cyber and physical infrastructure as a nation. I'm going to tell you the definition and break down the definition according to CISA.gov. Cybersecurity is the art of protecting networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access or criminal use, and the practice of ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. So let me break down the definition. What is a network? A simple definition of a network is a collection of computers connected to allow data sharing. An example of a network is the internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Devices are things like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers. Now, data is a little tricky because it means something a little different in cybersecurity. So data in terms of cybersecurity is your online private information like your usernames and passwords. We don't want criminals having access to those, right? Because they can access our bank accounts, social media accounts to do whatever they like. So let's look at confidential in terms of cybersecurity. So the general definition of confidential is intended to be kept secret. So in cybersecurity, confidential means keeping things like usernames and passwords secret. Integrity in terms of cybersecurity is guarding against improper information, modification, or destruction. So think of it like this. Imagine sending a note to someone. You want the receiver of the note to get the note as you sent it, right? So you don't want your note as it's being transferred to the receiver that hackers open the note, change some of the letters, or destroy your note completely. You want your note to have zero changes or not be destroyed while it is being transferred to the person you want to receive it. So that's integrity. Availability in terms of cybersecurity can be thought of like this. You want your nearby hospital to be open 24/7, just in case you have an emergency at any time of day or night, right? Your data housed online needs to be accessible at any point in time because we use the internet for virtually everything in our lives, right? So common things we do with confidentiality, integrity, and availability is we do CIA. So let's look at some of the common terms in cybersecurity, and this is courtesy of Devon at cybentsolutions.com. We have one, software, which is a set of programs that tell a computer to perform a task. These instructions are compiled into a package that users can install and use. For example, Microsoft Office is an application software. Two, we have virtual private network, also known as VPN. A tool that allows the user to remain anonymous while using the internet by masking the location and encrypting traffic. We have three, IP address, an internet version of a home address for your computer, which is identified when it communicates over a network. For example, connecting to the internet, which is the network of networks. We have breach. The moment a hacker successfully exploits a vulnerability in a computer or device and gains access to its files and network is understood as a breach. We have malware. Malware is an umbrella term that describes all forms of malicious software designed to wreak havoc on a computer. Common forms include viruses, trojans, worms, and ransomware. Speaking of ransomware, we have ransomware, a form of malware that deliberately prevents you from accessing files on your computer, holding your data hostage. It will typically encrypt files and request that a ransom be paid in order to have them decrypted or recovered. For example, WannaCry ransomware, which I covered earlier on this channel. Please feel free to watch that. We have cloud, which is a technology that allows us to access our files and our services through the internet from anywhere in the world. Technically speaking, it's a collection of computers with large storage capabilities that remotely serve requests. Example of clouds are Gmail. We all have a Gmail. We have another example is Dropbox and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you'll probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Do you have a cybersecurity definition, term, or attack you would like me to cover? Write it in the comment section below. Okay? So write in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. You don't know how to subscribe? I'm looking at you right now. I'm wearing a dark navy blue shirt smiling at you. Click on my face. Stay safe, HackPack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.